Yan, hi guys! Good afternoon, good day, good morning sa inyong lahat. Yan. We are here now sa River Cruise sa Pattaya. Yeah. Yeah. We'll be experiencing a river cruise later on. And please join us. Nandiyan na. Ang dami ng mga tao, guys. Yan. Looking forward for this river cruise. Yan. Teka, pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Okay. Yan, guys. We are here at Icon Siam. And yan. Ganda dito, guys, no? So we are going to look forward for our river cruise later on. So ganyan dito, guys, ang itsura. Look at the view. Woo! Look at the water fountain, dancing water fountain. Wow! Okay, you have to watch out. Ang taas, ayun. Yan. So yun yung ano, iconic icons Siam. Icon Siam. Oops. Nababasa tayo dito, guys. Wait lang. Yan. Oh. Icon Siam. Yan. Vlog, syempre, simula pa lang to, guys, ng ating adventure dito sa ating Icon Siam River Cruise na to. Ay, sorry, Ma'am Grace. Umarang ako. So, ayan. Amazing. Yan, guys, ito ang aming ticket stub para sa Chao Phraya Princess River Cruise. So, yan, ididikit daw ito mamaya sa aming t-shirt. Okay. So, we'll wait for the boarding. So ayan, guys, napunta na kami sa pier number 3. So we're ready for the cruise, guys. Ayan. Let's go this way. Yeah, number 3. So we have to line up here. Yan, guys, we are in line. Nakapila kami waiting until the boarding para doon sa pier number 3. Then we'll show you later sa loob mamaya, guys. Ayun, guys, ang river. So yan, guys, ang mga expectorant na tao sa dami. Hindi, so siguro sa taas. Sobrang yung kadami guys sa mga nagpupuntahan dito. So yan guys, naubos na yung tao. Sobrang dami. Pero ilang deck pa to? 1, 2, 3. So 3 decks. Hindi ko alam kung saan tayo papasok mamaya. Meron pang kasunod pala. Yan pa siya. Ito mamaya na to. Next match na sila.
For one ticket, please. One person for one ticket, please. Everyone, please preparing your ticket. One person for one ticket, please. One person for one ticket, please. Thank you. ตอนนี้นะคะเรือเจ้าพระยา Princess หมายเลข 3
So yan guys, we're going. Yan na yung ating sasakyan. The Princess. Oh, bye-bye. Thank you. Ayan na guys, pasok na tayo. Ayan, pasok. Ha? Oo. So, ano na lang ha, sa loob na lang uli yung vlog kasi para hindi masyadong mahaba. So, ito na siya. Sa loob. Ayan guys, nakapasok na kami sa loob. Malapit tayo sa sea. At tayo ay malapit sa sea. Kakain ng marami later on.
Magandang gabi! Magandang gabi! Ni Ham. Alright, once again, good evening and welcome aboard Chopper Princess. And of course,
The cruising time will take approximately 2 hours, and along the way we will see lots of beautiful sceneries such as the Grand Palace. You will see the beautiful Rama Bridge 8, the Temple of the Dawn, and many more. So please don't forget to take some photos. You can go up to the upper deck and the stairs at the back on the way to the upper deck. All right. And of course, you can go to the front deck. You can use these 2 doors on the way to the front deck. And regarding our facilities on board, our comfort room or washroom also located at the back of the boat. This is lower floor. Once again, comfort rooms are located at the back of this floor. And of course, the smoking area, if you want to smoke, if the smoking is upstairs at the back of the upper deck. All right, once again, smoking area is upstairs at the back of the boat. All
Guys, ganyan kadami tao at ang pagkain as well. So ako ito na kinuha ko mga kapatid. Yan. Tikiman muna tayo. Medyo madilim lang dito sa place. But this is our first food na kakainin. Grabe guys, ito yung mga pagkain na kinuha namin. Daming food, sulit. Sulit siya guys. Yan guys, they also have coffee by the way, coffee tea. They have cheesecake and they have fruits. Yeah. Ayan guys, may mga destinations na dadaanan kayo dito pag nag-cruise kayo. Hindi ko na nakunan yung iba because I'm busy eating guys. Pero yan siya. So guys, ito yung labas ng cruise. You can go even up to that deck. Taas. Dito na lang tayo.
Wala.
So yan guys, ito na yung aftermath ng buffet. Yan na siya guys.